everybody, we are back in the kitchen today making my third video, and today we're going to be making some Dole Whip. So far I've made pineapple, mango, mixed berries, and strawberry Dole Whips, but it all uses the same formula, so that's what's good about it. You can use any fruit, frozen fruit, and you can make a Dole Whip of your choice. Today I'm going to be making some mixed berry Dole Whip because that's my favorite. I've been looking around for new recipes about Dole Whip, and this recipe is the most easiest one and one that tastes pretty good too. Like I said, this recipe is fairly simple, so it's only going to use a few ingredients. So first you're going to need milk, you're going to need some sugar, and of course you're going to need your frozen fruit of your choice, and like I said, I'm using mixed berries. For your ingredients, you're going to need a Ziploc bag, a very strong blender. I'm using a Ninja, or you can use a food processor. You're gonna need a 1/2 cup measuring tool and a tablespoon measuring tool. You're gonna need a 1 cup measuring tool. First step is to get your 1 cup measuring tool and scoop 4 scoops into your blender of your frozen fruit of your choice. Now that they're in, I forgot to mention that this serves 3 people. Next step, you're gonna get your 1/2 measuring tool and pour 1/2 of a cup of milk into your blender. Final step before you blend is to get your tablespoon and scoop 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar. Next, you're gonna blend. At the beginning, when you start blending, it might look like this. But don't worry, you're just gonna have to keep on blending. Every once in a while, push the sides down to distribute and to mix in well with the blender so it can blend more. You're gonna need a very strong blender like a Ninja or a food processor. Just keep at it and keep on stopping the blender and pushing the sides down, and finally it should come out to a consistency like this that looks like a ice cream consistency, and that's when it tells you it should be done. After it's done blending, put your Ziploc bag into a long cup like this, and you're gonna pour your Dole Whip into that. You can use a piping bag if you want, but I don't have one, so I'm just using a Ziploc bag. It's all in, pull out the Ziploc bag and put it like this. And then you're gonna cut the tip only a little, and you're gonna pour into your cups. Got our 3 cups for our 3 servings. Enjoy. You have to try this, man.
Good.
Speechless, man.
It's really good. Very refreshing. Nice and light.
You know it, man.
Good job. Ooh. Wow.
Ooh, refreshing.
Hey, don't eat all of mine, man.
So good.
All right, okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and comment down below if you tried this out. Like and subscribe, and yeah, peace.